Every year, the Social Security Administration receives millions of applications for disability benefits. So if you need to file a claim, you may be wondering if you should do it yourself or if you should have an attorney assist with the application. A February 2018 Government Accountability Office study of hearings level allowance rates for Social Security disability claims showed that claimants who had representatives, such as an attorney or family member, were allowed benefits at a rate nearly 3 times higher than those without representatives. Tampa Social Security disability lawyer Mike Murburg discusses the article. According to the report, the success rate could be due in part for the representative's ability to handpick claims they know have a better chance. Or a representative can help the claimant by ensuring that the medical evidence and other records are fully developed and help the claimant present their case at a hearing. So having a do-it-yourself disability claim may not be in your best interest, and the guidance of an experienced Social Security disability lawyer can give you a greater chance to receive the benefits you deserve. The attorneys at the office of Mike Murburg, PA, understand the contours of SSDI disputes and how to effectively navigate the problems to secure a favorable resolution on behalf of their clients.